Hey, what's going on, my YouTubeaholics? I'm going to be working on my motorcycle today. As you can see here, how beautiful she is. But what I'm doing today is I'm putting some valve stem pieces on here. Let me show you. I got this tire pressure monitoring system. You got one for the front, one for the rear, and then you have this little guy here that tells you how much air pressure you have in your tires, or it gives you an alarm if your tire happens to go low or starts to go low fast before you go on highway speeds or something, and you end up wrecking. So let me get these guys on and I'll show you how I did it. All right, see you in a little bit. All right, my YouTubeaholics, I put this on. Let me show you this little gadget here. So can you see it? Let's turn this guy on. And you see it there. See it there blinking. It's telling me my front tire is low. So I'm gonna air it up and see if it stops blinking. And it gives me an alarm. The book says you have to pair these up. The sensors are marked down here. Let me take one off. I can show it to you a little better. There's a little F here, and then of course on the back is R. So I'm going to take it off real quick and show it to you. I took this thing off. See if it focuses in there. Trying to get the focus, or maybe it's just me. I'm looking at the back of the camera here, trying to see if it's going to focus there, but you can see where it has the F right there. And so now I don't know if you can hear it, but I got an alarm going off. Right now it's telling me there's no air in the tire since I got the sensor here in my hand. So let me air this thing up and see what happens. Alrighty, my YouTubeaholics, show you right here. It looks like I got 20, 21, 22, yeah, a little over 22 pounds of air according to this. And a lot of you know, a lot of your bikes will have it on a swing arm. And it's telling me the maximum up front should be 33 psi. So let's go ahead and air up the front tire here. Alright, I just aired it up. Now it's telling me I have 31 psi in there. I can live with that. Just have to think about when you're unscrewing this guy. When you unscrew the tip for your air compressor, you're going to lose a little bit of air. Then when you screw back on your sensor, you're going to lose a little bit of air. So next time I have to fill it up just a little bit more, so that way I won't lose as much air. So snug that guy down so she doesn't wiggle off. Go ahead and unplug everything here. I haven't showed this video yet, but that's my 12-volt accessory plug. So let me put everything away here, and we'll talk more about it. Alrighty, my YouTubeaholics, as you saw, the tire pressure sensor is on. It's working. I'm gonna go for a little jaunt and see how the temperature works on it. And I also want to show you something else I got for the bike. This is a little Honda product. See if you can see this. Too bad I don't have zoom or anything, but here you go. See that a little better? So the instructions for the rear carrier. If you can see that part number. If you have a base model like I do that doesn't have the rear carrier, so you can put anything on it or any attachments for the panniers or anything like that. So it gives you the hard pieces and everything like that, so you can mount the racks for the panniers when you would decide you want to get panniers or something like that. Or like one day I want to do put some bags and stuff on my bike, and it's now I have that option if I want to go that route. If I want to just put a top box on there, I can. Right now I can't, since of course I have the 2020 base model Africa Twin. So I'm gonna run over to Walmart and look for some paint, some matte black paint, if I can talk. But here's this is one of the body pieces. Since I'm indoors, sorry about how rough this is, but as you can see, it's kind of just a regular, it's not painted or anything, just a black plastic. And I want it to look as close to the body color, since of course my bike is matte black. I like to get as close as I can to that color. So I'm gonna run over to Walmart and see what they have, and I'll be right back. Alrighty, until then I might take you with me, see if my session is charged up, ready to go. I might take you on that. Alright, later. Just make sure I don't get run over around here. Oh, sorry dude, I don't have any cash on me. I gotta wait for people, of course. Do 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 do. Do do do. And we're off. Ooh, a little chilly. Maybe you can hear me better now. Let's hope no one comes up behind me trying to run me over. Either I'm too high of a gear or too low of a gear, it seems like right now. I'm gonna park over here. Alright, my YouTubeaholics, let me ask you a question. Walking through Walmart here, why is it that people stare at you when you walk around Walmart with a helmet in your hand? What else am I supposed to do with it? I can't leave it on my bike. I can't lock it up on my bike. Didn't find anything in Walmart. Let's try O'Reilly's. See what they got going on here. Alrighty, unfortunately my GoPro died and I didn't get a chance to show you where I bought this can of Krylon Fusion in a matte black. I did get it at Lowe's. I bought 2 of those so I could do my front windscreen and also do my rear carrier. So this is it. Until next time, to the next video, y'all have a good one.